Got a busy couple days coming, so hold on tight, because we're moving fast. We get the dollies hooked up to the truck. We're going now about 2 hours away to pick up a car. I got all my winch gear here ready to go. Take a wild guess at what car I'm buying next. You've probably seen the thumbnail and you probably already know, but yes, it's another Elantra. This one is a manual transmission car. Supposedly the clutch is toasted and it don't move at all. So I got my dolly here, I got my winch set up, ready to go. If I can't drive on the dollies, I'll haul around with the winch. Alright, we're going to pick up the next flip car, which is going to be an Elantra if all goes well when we look at it. We got sidekick number 1 and sidekick number 2 coming with us today. First fill up, $73.16. So here's the listing. 2016 Hyundai Elantra, standard, runs great, 111,000 kilometers, highway driven. There's a problem with the clutch, which is reflected in the price, must be told at your own expense. No problemo for me. New battery and fluids this past month. So worst case scenario, this thing needs a complete clutch job. Best case scenario, just needs a simple fix like a slave cylinder. They're asking $2,000. Let's see how it goes. Would you look at that? I bet you've never seen someone get so excited over an Elantra. Oh my god, the rockers are even good. Mirror got a little something going on there, but buddy must be a partner with big screws put in there. We don't need to do the rockers on this one. Hey bud.
Flat tire.
The brakes looks like they're shot. That's no odds. She been rust checked before.
Thumbs up.
Should start. I don't know if it will engage or not with the clutch, right? So I don't know. I have no idea what they did with it. I had her towed down, see?
So we had a thumbs up from the young fella. We agreed on the price of $1,600, and I started loading her up.
I don't know yet. Good, that worked deadly.
Wow. Perfect. Yeah, that's the setup.
That's how much road route. I didn't wait for a full year. I only just put it on like 2 days ago. Gotta get a Timmy's. Very nice, very nice. How much?
You can't afford it.
What? With all my Elantra money. Something good. Alright, we made it back. Now we gotta get it off the tow dolly.
Woof woof. Kind of piece of crap do you got brought home now? Sniff, 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 sniff. Bruh. What the heck is even this? What a pile of junk.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is haul it up the hill, so it'll roll right in the garage. Perfect. So we got her in the garage. There was very low fluid in the master cylinder there. So we're just going to try to bleed that slave cylinder now and see if that will work. All right, I got father up in the car. He's going to pump the pedal. I'm just going to come down here and try to bleed the slave cylinder. So this clutch pedal was actually sticking to the firewall. There's absolutely no clutch pedal at all. There's no pressure. The brakes and the clutch share the same reservoir. it was very low and there was no fluid getting to the clutch master cylinder. There's no obvious leaks outside, but pretty soon we actually found out where it was actually leaking. So father was in there pumping up the pedal, and when he was pumping it up, he noticed there was brake fluid coming out here on the clutch pedal. He looked down up here where the clutch pedal goes into the firewall. See it dripping? So whatever that is, I'm gonna have to get. All right, this is Sunday. We got one home and off to Dolly. Tomorrow is Monday, and I'm going to get another flip car. It's going to be a busy few days. All right, it's early in the morning. It's day 2. We're going to get another car. Got my coffee. The wife got me lunch packed. Truck is ready. Trailer's ready. It's another beautiful day on the island. Let's go. Ooh, for sale, baby. Yay or nay? Should I inquire about that truck? Let's get some more gas. Fill up number 2. Timmy's. Another Timmy's. We're almost there, so I'll pick you back up when we're ready to look at that car. All right, I'm by myself for this video, so bear with me. I'm trying to film myself while driving. We're in another flip car for a road test. Driving pretty good. The money light is on. There she is, boys. Another flip car. Excellent tires, AC, ice cold. They got a wonderful Carfax. Gonna have a little bit of body work to do, but the rockers are good. Woo! Power! All 1.6 liters. Woohoo! More displacement in a bottle of Pepsi. Well, this thing runs good, it drives good. Got a few knocks and bangs in it. Need a little bit of body work. But this is an overall very solid car. And the price is right, so let's go back, get this thing paid for, and load her up. So I paid $2,600 for this car, just about. And I'm pretty sure I already got a buyer for this car when it's done. Nothing to it. That ain't going nowhere. All right, we got the car loaded up, and now I'm at my favorite store. I just love shopping at this place, the Scrapyard. Let's go. So we're just here. I'd like to find a couple parts for that Elantra I bought yesterday. I'd like to find a red mirror, passenger side, and a clutch master cylinder, if I can find a manual transmission car here. Auto. Oh my God. A standard. Let's go. There's some lovely glass down there. I gotta crawl down there now and try to get out that master cylinder. It is all the way back in the corner. So now we got the computer out of the way, you can get a better look at it. Just pop that line off already. And I guess I gotta go inside now and see what I gotta do. Look up here. That's my clutch pedal. And I think I just gotta take it. There's a pin up here, if I can show you guys. So see where the rod comes through? There's a pin there. I gotta undo the pin. I think I literally just twist the master cylinder and it hauls out through the engine side. So that's the rod. We just pull out the pin. We slide the rod off of that shaft. And I think I just gotta try to twist this somehow and it'll pop out. Yes, sir. See the hole? So we got the clutch master cylinder. Looks like it's in good shape. It still springs back fine enough. It don't seem to be leaking. This is going to save a lot of time, because if I had to order this, it probably had to come from the dealer, and this part will probably be 2 or 3 weeks out. So anyway, I got my good clothes on and I'm ratting, so the wife is probably going to kill me when I get home, but we got some parts. So remember that red Elantra The previous owner had some screws drove down through the mirror. I guess they were trying to keep it together. No shame in that. I'd probably do the same thing. But we're going to look for a new mirror, the same color. Be nice if we could get a red one. Right here we can see a line of Chevys, all in their natural habitat. Look at this little thing. What the heck is that? What is this? This is not a Miata. Bro, this is a Porsche. We got an Elantra. It's red. And the friggin' mirror's broke. Man, oh man. I got parts cars home. They're gray. So I can take those mirrors off. And I got enough paint left over from the last red Elantra, which is the same color, that I can probably paint one of those mirrors. But if I could have got a factory red one, it would have been great. But I guess we're going to have to paint one. So if you look around here, they sell parts. But this crowd also sells damaged cars as well. Looky what I found. Man, cup holders are still good. She got iDrive, or whatever that thing's called. Oh my god. Man, oh man. Oh, what do you think? Should I go ask about her? It's looking pretty slick. Look, they got all kinds of stuff here for sale. So I just went and asked about her. They'd sell her for $2 grand. What do you guys think? Back on the road. We got the car in tow. I'm on my way home now. Next stop is more gas and more coffee. Some more Timmy's. And yes, if you're wondering, I am going to the drive-thru with a car in tow. We got gas. We got more Timmy's. When I get back home, I'll pick you guys up. That'll probably be the end of this video. So we're finally back to the Islander headquarters. We're gonna get the Kia Rio off the ramp here now. It's been a long ass day, but a good day. You really gotta be careful backing these small cars off the tow dolly. I normally have a couple of pieces of 2x6 put on the front wheels while I'm backing them up. I actually ripped the front bumper off a Hyundai Accent a few years ago doing this. Alright, we're back. We got 2 new flip cars home. We got some parts. So here's what I'm thinking. Maybe it's something a little extra. Maybe just for like a little channel project. Not necessarily something to flip. Just like a little channel project car. Remember that BMW we seen at Scrapyard? And that 50-something Chevy we seen on the side of the road? Maybe you guys can choose. 2 of them are roughly the same price range. So leave a comment. Which one would you like to see for a channel project? Maybe I can buy one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.